High protein vegetarian food options. When you hear the word protein, you think of boiled eggs, omelets, or steak. But do you know proteins are also found in many plants and other vegan foods? If you are a vegan or thinking of being one, go ahead. Your body will still get the required nutrients and proteins it needs. If you follow a diet filled with plant foods rich in protein, it can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. With some planning and research, you can find the best protein diet for yourself. Leave the research part for us. We are happy to carry that burden. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about high-protein vegan foods. Don't forget to watch till the end and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Why do you need protein? They are made up of amino acids known as building blocks as they are attached in long chains. You need protein for building bones, muscles, skin and cartilage, building and repairing tissues, making enzymes that help to digest foods, making body chemicals and new cells, red blood cells to function effectively, hormone regulation and development of cells during puberty. How much protein do you need? For an average adult, the protein intake should be 0.36 grams per pound of their body weight. But for athletes, sick people and pregnant mothers, the need for protein increases. If you are doing intense exercises and weight training, then you also need to eat more protein. You do not have to keep a continuous track of your protein intake. Just make sure to keep eating portions of protein-rich foods. High-protein vegetarian foods. Number 1. Vegetables. You can get a perfect and decent amount of protein by consuming a diet heavy in vegetables. Soya bean sprouts. It is made up of 70% water, 13% protein, 10% carbs and 7% fats. They have a lower amount of phytate, which increases the absorption of vitamins and minerals by your body. Per cup 70 gram of soybean sprouts consists of 9.2 gram protein. Sweet corn. It is made up of 77% water, 19% carbs, 3% protein and 1% fats. It has high fiber counts, aids digestion and decreases the risk of heart diseases, diabetes and strokes. Per cup 145 gram of sweet corn consists of 4.7 gram protein. Artichokes. It is made up of 86% water, 11% carbs, 3% protein and 0% fats. It is a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins K and C, folate and packed with antioxidants. Per serving, 128 gram of artichoke consists of 4.2 gram protein. Broccoli. It is made up of 90% water, 7% carbs, 2% protein and 0% fats. It is rich in fiber, proteins, vitamins and folic acid. Per cup, 156 gram of broccoli consists of 3.7 gram protein. Mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, spinach and dried seaweed are also rich in protein. Number 2. Beans. A cooked cup of beans or chickpeas consists of 15 gram of protein. They can decrease cholesterol levels, blood pressure and belly fat. If you are craving snacks, try roasted chickpeas, black beans, green peas, pinto beans, mung beans, lima beans, fava beans. Number 3. Nuts. Just a handful of nuts or a tablespoon of nut butter with oats works just fine. Almonds and pistachios have the most protein and filling fats. They are packed with antioxidants, which may aid weight loss and lower cholesterol levels. Nuts are rich in beneficial fiber. Per serving, 28 gram of nuts consists Brazil nut 2.1 gram, peanuts 2.6 gram, pecans 2.9 gram, hazelnuts and pistachios 2.9 gram. Almonds 3.5 gram. Number 4. Seeds. Just like nuts, they are a good source of unsaturated fats and proteins. You can consume them while having your morning breakfast. Sprinkling a handful of sunflower or hemp seeds over oats will increase your protein intake. Per cup, 139 gram of pumpkin seeds consist of 39 gram protein. You can eat flax seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, lotus seeds, and safflower seeds. Number 5. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cottage cheese are rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Low-fat dairy are also good to keep your bones and teeth strong. Greek yogurt is a great substitute for ice cream with additional benefits. 100 gram of non-fat Greek yogurt consists of 10 gram protein. Number 6. Smoothies. Apple and chia seeds smoothie, spinach flax protein shake, and a vegan protein shake are healthy smoothies for you. You can even ask your mom to make a banana shake or any fruit shake. They are easy to make and rich in protein. Number 7. Ezekiel bread Consuming Ezekiel bread is made up of legumes, organic and whole grains. Sprouting grains and legumes in bread increases healthy nutrients, amino acids content, and reduces anti-nutrients. 2 slices of Ezekiel bread consists of 8 grams of proteins. Apart from these foods, people often use protein supplements to increase overall body composition and muscle mass. Whey protein, casein protein, pea protein, hemp protein, brown rice protein, and mixed plant proteins are some good protein supplements you can opt for. Some supplements can cause muscle dehydration, kidney damage, weight gain, and drastic changes in blood sugar. Be careful about that and ask your doctor before consuming. This list can act as a quick guide for people who want to incorporate protein-rich foods into their vegetarian diet. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more interesting videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.